Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store, click on the search bar, and download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into Devices Settings right away. In those settings, scroll down, click on Apps, then select Default Apps, and click on one of those options. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, to switch it, tap on the new downloaded one and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!